super busy day, and that's because I've been on a mission. Yeah.
Tea?
Yeah. To find these amazing shower heads, like big old squares, like rainfall. I can't seem to be satisfied on the selection that I keep finding in all these stores, and my last option is to buy it online, but I'm gonna go see if IKEA has it. The shower head stuff is at, so I'm just gonna walk through the whole building. If I see somebody, I'm asking for directions. If I don't, I'll find it eventually. Found the shower heads. This is what they got. And honestly, I'm very disappointed. Well, that was a bust. Goddamn, IKEA didn't even come through. IKEA has all kinds of nice things, but they don't have shower heads. I don't want to buy online. I'm gonna go ahead and look. Alright, the last video I made, thank you guys for watching it. I only got like, a couple views on it, but shit, you know what? That's a start. I read somewhere that it says if you're not good at something, do it 100 times and then see if you're gonna be good at it at the end of that. Alright, so that's me trying to make 100. And I took notes this time, alright? And the topic I'm about to talk about is priorities and staying focused. Everybody needs to stop focusing on what everybody else is doing and start worrying about the things that they need to do to get closer to their goals. All right, we all have a lot of distractions that are around us, like social media, people texting you, your friends telling you they're going to Rocky Point on spring break. All right, shit, I know you feel left out sometimes because you're busy with school, homework, work, you have errands to run, and in the back of your head, you're just saying, damn, they're about to have fun without me, and I wish I can go. You know what? I'm just going to put that off and go to Rocky Point with them. Well, guess what? That's just a bad habit to have, because if you do that, figure out what your priorities are first, then it's just going to become a habit, and then it gets further and further away from you. And you need to stop doing that to yourself, because if you don't put yourself first, and you don't take yourself serious, why should anybody else take you serious? I'm not saying don't have fun or don't go to Rocky Point, but shit, if you know spring break's coming up, hurry up and do everything you have to do and get it all out the way, so that way when you do have the opportunity to go out and have some fun with your friends when they invite you, you can take that without sacrificing any of your priorities and put any of those things aside. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter, that fun that you had. I'm not saying don't have fun, but just make sure you have your priorities straight and not put those things off that are important, not just for right now, but for your future as well. Just remember, all that sacrifice you're making right now will all pay off on the long run. It might not seem like that right now, because it just seems like, it's just one day, just this one weekend. Well, this one weekend becomes 2 weekends, and then the second weekend, every other weekend. I don't know where the whole year passes by. A lot of those things that you were supposed to do didn't all get done, and then it became a habit, not putting your priorities first. Now, if you find it difficult to keep your priorities straight and to stay focused, then guess what you need to do? Is set some short-term and some long-term goals. Those short-term goals will lead up to your long-term goals, so that way you have an idea on how to get there and it doesn't seem as overwhelming. All right, because at the end of the day, it's not that difficult. We just lose focus, and with those goals, you'll stay on track. So think about like a marathon runner. The first time they ever ran a marathon, it was difficult, and when they did it, They were happy, you know, they got through it, and then they figured out how to make the second marathon, the third marathon, the fourth marathon even better. But they didn't make that marathon better, the first, the second, third, fourth, fifth one, and after that, is that stay prepared during the preseason, and they got ready for the next marathon. And when they're running, all they're focusing on is taking one step at a time until they reach the finish line. And once they reach the finish line, they feel accomplished. So stay focused. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. Tell me what you want to talk about. Peace. Thank you.